I know sometimes you might be wondering how do people add background to their image, or how do they remove background from their image. Worry no more. In today's video, I will show you the secret. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can remove and add background to your image using CapCut.
Now, let's dive into the game.
Now open your CapCut, click on that new project, then you go to photo. As you can see, just click on that photo. The next thing you need to do here is to select the background that you want to use. Then just click on that add. The background is already on the timeline now. As you can see overlay on that. Just click on that overlay, then click on the overlay again. Look for the image, image that you want to change the background, like the picture you want to change the background. Just choose that one. So the next thing you do, just click on the image, then look for remove background. That is remove BG. It means remove background. As you can see, I'm looking for it. This is it over here. Just click on it, then click on this up to remove. As you can see, the background has automatically been removed. So the next thing you need to do here, just use your hand to drag it to the to where you want the photo to be. Size it very well in order for the photo and the background to look realistic. As you can see this one, and you see how this one look realistic and real. So after positioning your image, then the next thing you need to do, just screenshot it. Now you can now leave the CapCut, go to your pictures. Now this is the image you screenshot. After that, click the edit, come to this cutter button, click on the cutter button, then you size the image, you remove the screenshot part, then you make sure everything look realistic. As you can see, this is what I just did. How do you see it, guys? Share your thoughts in the comment section.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, share your thoughts on the comment section, and if there's any question, put it on the comment section. I will respond to you immediately. One love. See you in my next video.